There's so many questions I don't have answers to. I'm literally making this up on the fly. Yeah, well, today's episode of Justin, what did you get yourself into? I got a mulch behind all these trucks and not do any damage. Yeah, that ain't gonna happen. So what we'll do is do all this. Another truck and dumpsters. Well, I guess you take problems that clients have and you figure out solutions. Per my scientific app of surveying on X, property owner only owns about 6-8 feet back from the curb line. So we're not gonna get too aggressive. What's crazy is over here, so this area, 4-to-1, 3-to-1 slope. We get into this, that's a 1-to-1. Actually, a lot of it's pure vertical. Close enough. Oh, did I tell you it's all full of concrete, garbage, curb and gutter. We're gonna destroy the knives. Hey, it's a paying job, so someone's got to do it. Sure, got a trailer with fork pockets so I can bring forks with. Guess what I didn't bring with? Forks. Gotta move some dumpsters, which would be no problem for Taki, and some pallet forks. Let's just get started. Well, all right, let's see if we need to throw a chain on these or what. I don't know. We'll make it up as we go. Either way, oh, that's a big old buckthorn right there. I don't know if we can reach that high. Yeah, we're gonna be bouncing up curbs. We're just gonna send it and see what we can do. And at the end of the day, we can do what we can do and we can't what we can't. I have no idea how this is gonna turn out. All right, and after that last job, let's blow out the air filter. Takeuchi bumper. It's all right. I think there's cheaper options out there, but it's bounced off quite a few trees and saved me re-bending the rear cover, bumper cover. So in that regard, I think it's all right. Oh man, yeah, look at it. You know, I blew this out and cleaned it. We probably got 3 hours of mulching since the last cleaning. That is something that Takeuchi jeez. They could definitely improve on. They need a pre-filter. I mean, this is, like I said, like 3 hours. That's crazy. That's not right. Overall, pretty satisfied with the machine though. I mean, when she's running, she just rips and just doesn't care. I really like the ground clearance on it. I really like how everything is overbuilt. The sprockets, the whole undercarriage is much larger than the competitors. I'll say it that way. This thing rips. Really happy with it. Not happy with the poor air filter design. Anyways, let's go get her fired up. All right, fired up. Let's go get this thing stuck. anyways, we got a colossal mess. Before we take on more area, I want to clean this up, make sure that we can actually make sure that we can clean it up. I have never back dragged over asphalt before. I don't know how my teeth, there's so many questions I don't have answers to. I'm literally making this up on the fly. And as a business owner, when you need to put food on the table, I guess you take problems that clients have and you figure out solutions. And not everything is going to be, laid out easily for you. You have to ad hoc some, what the heck are we gonna do now? So I'm gonna get a rake and a brush, I guess, and start pushing this back to somewhere I can re-mulch it. I don't know. That's option B. I don't know what option C is, but we'll find it. Let's do it. All right, so scratched, a couple hairs that I have left on my head. We got an idea. I know how we're gonna do this. We're gonna cheat. When in doubt, cheat. We're gonna take the electric chainsaw, and if you don't have one, you don't know how much you need one of those in your life. We're gonna saw that down. The rest of the brush, we're gonna take the Stihl FS91, and we're just going to do that. Brought to you by the world's dullest chainsaw blade. Like everything, I have no window in the mulcher. The truck said, change my engine oil now. Blades are dull. I can't wait for winter. That's enough. Hey, it is what it is. You can't hit a home run every single time up to bat, right? So why should small business be any different? But no one's hurt, haven't broke anything, and got a good, I don't know, half done already. So we'll come back, and when the trucks are gone, zip, zip, boom, boom, we'll be off to the next one. If you see me out here doing this crazy stuff, you can do it too, guys. And I'm sure someone's going to say they could probably do it better. And so I still have insurance, and I will continue to have insurance until about my first claim, and they'll drop me, and that's how the game works. So no, I'm going to lay up short in golf. Lay up short, and we're just gonna chip it in the next day. Cheers, guys.